जी 3-4 दिन में थोड़ा सा मसरूफ़ियत की वजह से कोई नया वीलॉग नहीं बना पाया था। और कल मैं जो है ना बिश्केक आया हूँ और आज जुम्मे के दिन 20 मई 2022 को मेरे बच्चों इमाद और असनात के स्कूल में एक फ़ूड फेयर होने जा रहा है। तो हम जो है उस फूड फेयर में जाके देखेंगे कि वहाँ क्या एक्टिविटीज़ हैं और उसका थीम क्या है। तो एक हेल्दी एक्टिविटी लग रही है और स्कूल ने क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को भी बुलाया हुआ है, तो वी आर गोइंग टुगेदर टू फूड फेयर एट सिल्क रोड स्कूल। हेलो इमाद, यस, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर?
I don't know, there's like a food fair to raise money for charity.
What?
There's food fair to raise money for charity.
Food fair to raise money for charity. What kind of charity is this?
I don't know, for like homeless people.
For homeless people. Okay, you should know something about it. You ask your teacher what is it actually, and which organization is you are going to support. Okay. So what have you brought for charity here today? Samsa. Okay. So what is your expectation? How much money you are going to raise?
I don't know, 100 or 200 something.
100 to 200. That is too small.
500.
Maybe. Okay. Where is Asnat? Okay, Asnat, तता जान मैं आपको ढूंढ रहा था यार, किधर बिजी थे?
मैं अपने दोस्त के पास वो वॉक कर रहा था, उसका फैमिली का वेट कर रहा था।
अच्छा, तो what is happening here? Can you tell me?
Here we school started a food fair, and we have to raise money to give to charity. And yeah.
You are raising money for charity.
Yeah.
What kind of charity is this? Do you know something?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, you should ask your teacher. Okay. What kind of charity is this and where this money goes? Okay. You should ask. Are you enjoying here?
Yes.
Go and enjoy. Let's see what is here. This is 8B. This is 7B. 6A. This is Imad's table. And here.
But you cannot buy now. So go.
Okay. This is Imad's
Mister,
parcel of some
table looks nice.
and this is pizza. What's your name? Huh? This is 5B. Okay, great. Good job. This table is 5A. Asnat belongs to this table, and there is this lemonade?
Yes.
Okay, great. What else you have? Okay, Asnat is selling chocolate here. 10 songs for one piece. Okay. Are you selling this plant as well? How much is it? What is the cost? You have not decided the price? Okay. Let me know whenever you decide, okay? Okay, thank you. तो जनाब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये है बहुत ही खूबसूरत टेबल मुझे लग रहा है। ये क्लास 4B का है। This is class 4B. It's written on one alphabet on each balloon and it says 4B buy and can you give me some space? Buy and help. Okay. Fresh cherries, manti, gels. What do you call it?
Blini.
Blini is gyalching. Okay.
Жарко.
This is jarko.
Самсы.
These are samsi.
Булочка.
That is bulachka and brownies. Oh, great. Green, fresh and healthy food. Oh, I love this cake. ये है 3A का. Wow. Let's go ahead. Mustafa, how are you? Are you good?
Fine, and this?
Nice to see you.
Me too.
This is 1C. 1C. Again, cherries. Cherries are very popular today here because this is cherry season. Great. चलो जी, यहाँ पे हमें कुछ डिफरेंट मिल रहा है. यहाँ पे you can see popcorns. 10 som each pack. Okay, and then apples, yablika, and bananas. What is this? Why you are selling it?
Oh no, we're not selling the trophy. It's just
Oh, that is your trophy.
no, it's not our trophy. It's just for decoration.
Oh, it's just for decoration. Okay, okay, okay. And what are you selling in these glasses? Juice?
Yes, juice.
These are for juice. Okay. Okay. These are again samosas. A different kind of samosas. This is chai juice for tea maker. Oh, I'm sorry. This is tea maker.
If you're going to give me
What are you saying? Tell me. जी, तो इधर ये फुटबॉल ग्राउंड है स्कूल का और यहाँ पे इन्होंने लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस के लिए स्टेज सजाया हुआ है. दिस इज द स्टेज सेट फॉर टुडे एंड देयर विल बी सम लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस एंड लेट्स सी. ब्यूटीफुल स्कूल, a beautiful event, very impressive. You can see all the stalls installed here. तो जी परफॉर्मेंसेस शुरू हो गए हैं, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. How was your day?
It was great.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
How much money you raised for this charity today?
3,000.
3,000 you, Asnat, and you, Imad?
7,000.
That is great. That is fabulous. I appreciate both of you. और असनाद ने जो अच्छा काम किया है, आज उसको ग्राउंड पे बहुत सारे पैसे गिरे हुए मिले थे, इसने वो पैसे लेके लोगों को वापस कर दिए हैं. और दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट जेस्चर ऑफ ऑनेस्टी एंड काइंडनेस एंड क्रेडिबिलिटी. यू आर अ ग्रेट पर्सन, असनाद अली एंड इमाद अली, बोथ ऑफ यू. थैंक यू.